How to disable cross-domain tracking in GA4 Google Analytics. It is a quick and easy method to disable cross-domain tracking. Simply press on Data Streams, then press on Configure Tag Settings. And here you'll have Configure Your Domains. There you will see cross-domain linking configuration. Simply remove them and then save changes. That's step 1. Then, if the websites are set up for cross-domain tracking, what you need to do is look at the Google Property ID that you've inserted onto the website itself. Now, that could have been accomplished using various different methods, whether you use the plugin, whether you've inserted the code to your website theme. One way or another, you need to find the tag ID. In my example, it's this. We're looking at a typical WordPress site, and that's a footer.php file, and that's the cross-domain tracking property ID. So to disable it, you can remove that too. The fact is, when you follow the Google Analytics user interface options, right now you've basically disabled it, but you still need to remove that tag, because why call a different tag when it's not doing anything right now? Okay. So to disable it, simply log into Google Analytics, find the data stream, and find Configure Your Domains under Configuration, and simply remove the cross-domain measurement linking from your website. So you'll see something here. Simply remove them. At that moment, cross-domain tracking will be disabled, as in it won't work. But finally, you need to check the website, because in this example, I'll show you the tag here. As you can see, the website still has this tag, and when I disable it from here, this tag will not be doing anything. And then at that moment, I want to remove that. So that's what you need to do as well. Simply press on Ctrl U on your keyboard for both websites to see which tags are there on whichever website you're cross-tracking, as you want to disable. So that is how you disable and stop cross-domain tracking in Google Analytics.